If you guys are wondering about the earbuds at cheaper price and good quality product, so you are at the right spot. Today we will unbox the Noise Earbud VS102, which nearly costs around 900 along with its vibrant features. Let's open the case and see what's inside the box. Firstly, you get a warranty card, tags, description menu card about the product. Finally, your Earbud VS102 comes out with a unique flybird design. It gives a vibrant look. Another case in which two pairs of rubber earbuds for the compatibility of your ears. And a USB Type-C charging cable. Before we start, make sure the smartphone and earbuds VS102 are next to each other and earbuds are fully charged. Done, let's start. Power on. Earbuds will automatically turn on once removed from the charging case. Power off. Earbuds will automatically turn off once placed inside the charging case. Pairing. Open the charging case. Remove the earbuds. Turn on the Bluetooth on your device. Select Noise Earbud VS102. Now pairing is done and your earbuds are ready to use. Next time, earbuds will automatically connect as soon as you take them out of the charging case. Music and volume controls. To play or pause, tap either earbud 2 times. For the next song, long press the right earbud. For the previous song, long press the left earbud. To increase volume, tap the right earbud once. To decrease volume, tap the left earbud once. Now it's time for its review. If you enjoy the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. The Noise Earbud VS102 perfectly fits in the ears. It looks stylish, attractive in ears due to its flybird design. Music. Music quality is so nice. Calling experience. It is better for calling purposes as it reduces somehow the external noise during the call. Touch controls. The best thing about this earbud is its touch controls. They are very fast and quick. Battery backup is so nice. You can enjoy music up to 13 hours in a single charger case. Finally, pricing. You can get this product under 900 rupees only during the Flipkart deals and offers. If you enjoy the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Till then, Allah Hafiz and goodbye.